खुश रहो। जेवीएन डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, प्रोग्राम बी फार्मेसी, फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, कोर्स रेमेडियल मैथ एंड सेशन ऑफ टुडे, numerical problem on different type of equations of the line. So here are some problems in front of you. Find the line. The problem is find the equation of the line through the point 0, -4 and -6, 2. This is a specific time of equation of line passing through 2 points. You have given 2 points. You have to find the equation of line passing through 2 points. So it is a special type of equation. The required equation of line is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y minus y2 upon x minus x2 minus x1. So by the solving this equation we get y plus 4 is equal to minus x, or x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Or another way you can solve this equation y. The formula is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 x into x1. In left hand side y minus y1, right hand side y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 bracket closed x minus x1. If you put the value of x1 y1 and x2 y2, here x1 y1 is equal to 0 minus 4, or x2 y2 is equal to minus 6 or 2. If these value putting in the equation y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or x minus x1, then you get the equation x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Again find the equation of the sides of triangle whose vertices are a, b and c. A is minus 1, 8, b is 4, minus 2 and c is minus 5, 3. So the equation of line AB, then BC, then CA. So we have to find the equation of AB, y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to here y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. x2 is 4 or x1 is minus 1, so x2 minus x1, 4 plus 1. And by solving and by cross multiplying and then all side transfer into the left hand side, we get the equation 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. In the same way, you have to find the line BC. B is the treated as x1 y1 and C is treated x2 y2, and putting in the same formula again you get y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and after cross multiplying and transfer all term into the left hand side, we get the equation x minus 9y minus 22 is equal to 0. In the same way, AB, BC and CA, either you may find CA or AC, treated one vertex as a x1 y1 and another vertex as a x2 y2, and putting the value in the formula y minus y1 upon x minus x1, here y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, then cross multiplying and transfer all term into the left hand side, you get the equation. So this is the numerical problem of the line which passes through the 2 points. or points is x1 y1 and x2 y2. Again, another type of problem is find the equation of a straight line which makes an angle 135 degree with the x-axis. This is the slope. 135 degree is the slope from the x-axis and passing through the point 3, 3. This is another type of line which passes through one point and make an angle theta from the x-axis. So here m, that is slope, that is tan theta is equal to tan 135 degree or tan 135 degree having the value -1. Value of tan 135 degree is equal to -1. So equation of line is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, or in another way we can write y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to tan theta. Tan theta means m. So y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to m. Here m is equal to -1 or x1 is equal to 3 or y1 is equal to again 3. So y minus y1 y minus 3 upon x minus x1 x minus 3 is equal to -1, and we here cross multiplying and transfer into one side the final equation of this line will be x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the solution of line which passing through one point and making an angle from the axis. It is another type of equation of line. Next example is determine the equation of the line passing through the point 1 minus 1 and parallel to the x-axis. Parallel to the x-axis, it means the slope of line parallel to x-axis is 0 or tan 0. So slope is 0, and here point x1 y1 is equal to 1 minus 1. So putting the in the formula x minus x1 y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to tan theta, or here tan theta is equal to 0. It is parallel to x-axis, and parallel to x-axis the value tan theta is 0. So y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to 0, and after cross multiplying we get y plus 1 is equal to 0. So equation of line is equal to y plus 1 is equal to 0. So here there is two type of numerical problem. Problem first and second is find the equation of line which passing through the 2 point, and third and fourth the problem of equation which passing through the 1 point and making the angle theta from the x-axis. So I hope you all are satisfied with this solution of the different type of equations of a straight line. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much. See you.